Hello and welcome to Robotics and Games Club. In this tutorial I'm going to go through the second practice of building level 1. So once you're at level 1, click on building. It'll take you to the level 1 practice sessions. So we've already done practice 1 and now we're going to do practice 2. So in practice 2 we need to connect the ports. So click on one of the ports you wish to connect and hold the mouse button down. Drag the mouse button over to the port you wish to connect and release the button. A black line should now appear connecting the two ports. Each port on the processor can be connected to one port on another component. Okay, so again, click the practice. Here's the robot that we have to build. Okay, so you're going to look at this. How is it built? What's connected to what? Okay, so this one's connected to 7, this is 0 and 1, and 0 and 1. So a lot of these, the robot is built so that the lines don't cross over each other, and so it makes it a little bit easier to remember. Again, the parts of the robot, except for this one, are the same as what you built last time, and this one is then just, the bottom of this is right at the top of the wheel, and it's in just a hair. Okay, so let's click on Build. And now we'll start moving the parts. So this is going to be up here somewhere. D is going to be down here. A is going to be right about there. Then we'll move D to line that up. This one goes again right about there. And this one goes about here. Down just a little bit. Okay. So now everything is moved to the right locations. So now we need to connect these. So 7 went to this port here. And again, I click on 1 and hold the mouse button down and then release it when my cursor is in the center of the D. Again, A, click on A, the white dot, and then go to 0. And there's a line there. And 0 goes to this port here, and this one goes to there. So one of the things that'll kind of help remind you is these white ports are digital ports. Blue is motor and 3 is analog. You don't really have to know too much about that right now, but just know that the white port is going to go to a white port. Okay, the blue port is going to go to a blue port, and the magenta port is going to go to a magenta port. Okay, so now that I've got everything connected, I click on Update, and Practice 2 is passed. So it says the motor connection. So this motor connection is good. This digital my motor ports are good, my digital ports are good, and my analog ports are good. And it took 111 seconds. And my time has to be less than 180. So, we passed.